everybody, and welcome to another edition of Kitchen Goat. I'm Jason, and today we've gone to the farmer's market again. We're using H&R Produce, and look at what I have here. Purple snaps. They're the only farmer that I know of that has these, and the cool thing is, it changes colors. So you cook it purple, it comes out green. Don't ask me why. So that's what we've got going on. We're going to do peanut chicken with snap beans. Now, why am I using H&R Produce and Sunburst tomatoes and Harris Robinette beef? Because, real simple, they support me, I support them. You want me to do a show on your stuff? Send me some stuff and I'll do it. Now, we're going to make the peanut sauce. I know everybody sits there, oh my God, it's peanut butter. Well, you know what? Go to a fancy Asian restaurant, they're going to serve a peanut sauce. Guess what? Some sort of peanut butter. So here's what we do. We combine coconut milk, peanut butter, soy sauce, brown sugar, lime juice, and a cup of water, and we mix it all together. So I'm going to start off with the easy one, 1 cup of water. Coconut milk. In the great words of Robert De Niro, I didn't realize that coconuts had nipples. For those of you that don't remember Meet the Fockers, about a 1/4 cup of coconut milk here. We've got juice of 1 lime, actually it's supposed to be a 1/2 cup, so just hold on. 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, going with the lime again. And now we add 2 tablespoons light brown sugar, and a tablespoon of curry powder. Boy, I do like the way curry smells. It's just something different, something unique. And then we're going to put peanut butter in a dish, and it's going to be awesome. We're going to put about a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Am I going to measure it? Absolutely not. But it's probably a little bit more, but I've added a little bit more coconut milk, so it's all right. And we're going to put that, and we're going to whisk that up later on. But like I said, it ought to coat the chicken pretty well. So we're going to put that over here. I'm going to mix that up. Now we get to the second part. Heat the oil and cook the green beans. Now I'm going to tell you an awesome little nap story. My mother always tells a story about when my parents, I guess, were dating, and come on over here to the cooktop. So I guess as the story goes, my great-grandmother cooked up some green beans and she fried them. And, you know, it's been 45, 46, 40, 47 years, and my mom still talks about it. But check that out. It's purple. Magic beans. Tyler Hudson and Terry Rhodes, and we're going to be doing a field trip soon. So we're going to fry these up. We're going to put them in a different bowl. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. We're going to fry up the chicken and add the peanut sauce. Now, I am varying the recipe. Originally it calls for spaghetti. I think that's a little plain, so I'm going to use some actual udon. So it's a little bit different noodle. And besides spaghetti, you know, it's always like, oh, I'm going to add some spaghetti. Well, you know, try something different. You know, it's like frying stuff. Do I know how to do any of this? Not really. Somebody's probably sitting there going, Mima! The Yankees trying to fry stuff again. Just trying. Just having fun. Fry them up! Yeah! When in doubt, take a perfectly healthy vegetable and cover it in oil. Look at that, they're turning white. Magic beans. I've now officially seen everything. Check it out. They turned white and a little green. So we're going to try that now. I'll cut up chicken thighs. You know I can't go without these. I wish I could get a sponsor for this. These things are awesome. Huh, that wasn't hot, it was just a reaction. It's really weird. I can see it now. Beaver! He's fried chicken now, too! And the cool part is, North Carolina right now, they're selling chicken. They've got chicken sales. We got this stuff for about $2 a pound. I know it's not organic from the farm, but hey, in this economy when gas is almost $5 a gallon, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let that cook for about 10 minutes, right? Vampire repellent and garlic.
There's garlic.
vampire repellent and ginger. Supposed to cook it up for about 30 seconds. Then we add our sauce. Then we add everything else. And pray it works. Make sure you scrape it off. All right, now we're gonna add our sauce and then see how that works out. And I don't think we're gonna have to thin this out, but I could be wrong. And then now we add our chicken, and again, oh, put this all. Chicken in our once was purple beans, which is no more. Cook this just like this till the sauce thickens up. Next time you might want to use a bigger cast iron. Yeah, no, you're good. All right, just like that. Like I said, we're gonna serve it up right down and we'll be right back. All right, so we're looking at about, what, 20 minutes? Maybe half an hour. It's real simple, really nice, really easy. So we've got some peanuts to plate it with. Got some cilantro out of my garden. And these are actually Bertie County peanuts, which is kind of ironic because Bertie County is why I came down here to North Carolina. It was my first teaching job. So I got some udon here. I got our chicken, our snaps, our peanut sauce with curry, peanut butter sauce. I'm gonna scoop out some of this. Scoop out some sauce. And it said to add a little cilantro. And some North Carolina's own Bertie County peanuts, which you can buy here locally, but you know, you can buy it on the internet too. All right, so here we go, peanut chicken with snap beans from H&R Produce with a lovely curry sauce. Doggone, that's good. That's really good. Folks, don't forget to support your local farmers market. If you're here in Nash County, go to the Nashville Farmers Market on Fridays from 3 to 7 and Nash County Farmers Market on Saturdays from 8 to 1. Who knows, you might see me there. Give this recipe a shot. Remember, be kind, be excellent to each other, and have a great day. I'll see you soon.